Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registrations in Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America and the world's sixth largest economy by GDP. It is also home to the world's fifth largest population with a GDP per capita of $11,600. Types of company. There are many types of companies which can be registered pursuant to Brazilian law. The most common being are Sociedade por Quotas de Responsabilidade Limitada or LTDA or SA. Setting up Brazilian LTDA. What are main features? A mixture between a partnership and a company. Partners are effectively shareholders of the company and have limited liability. Partners, however, are still personally liable for many things, such as for debts under the draconian Brazilian labor code. Can only be a private or closely held company. Requires two partners. Each partner must have a legal representative in Brazil. This can be any Brazilian or other person with residency in Brazil. There is no minimum capital requirement except for certain types of companies such as exporter, import and trading companies. Setting up Brazilian SA. What are main features? Similarly to a US corporation, its capital is divided into one or more classes of shares, which can be offered to the general public or closely held by only a few shareholders. The company must have at least two partners. Foreign partners of the business need to be enrolled with the Federal Revenue Office. Brazilian law taxes companies on their size, not type, so your revenue will be the determining factor with regards to the tax your company needs to pay. There are no minimum share capital requirements except in specific situations.